Nourish and Thrive presents Top 5 Best Brain Boost Smoothies to Boost Your Cognitive. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of cognitive enhancement. And today, we have something incredibly exciting in store for you. We're going to reveal the top 5 best brain-boosting smoothies that will turbocharge your cognitive abilities. So, grab your blenders, and let's get started. Smoothies are not only delicious, but can also be a fantastic way to give your brain a powerful boost. Whether you're a student studying for an important exam or a professional looking to maximize productivity, these brain-boosting smoothies will become your secret weapon. So, let's jump right into it. Smoothie number 1, the Blueberry Brain Blast. Starting our list is a smoothie packed with antioxidants and essential nutrients. We call it the Blueberry Brain Blast. Blueberries are known as brain berries for a reason. They contain powerful antioxidants that help protect the brain from oxidative stress and improve cognitive function. To make this delicious smoothie, combine 1 cup of frozen blueberries, half a cup of Greek yogurt, a banana, a handful of spinach, and a splash of almond milk. Blend it all together, and you've got yourself a brain blast in a glass. Just 1 sip of this tasty smoothie, and you'll feel the mental fog dissipate. The Blueberry Brain Blast is perfect for an energizing breakfast or a midday pick-me-up when you need to stay focused. Smoothie number 2, the Green Genius. Next up on our list, we have the Green Genius Smoothie. This vibrant concoction is loaded with brain-boosting greens that will have you feeling like Einstein in no time. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are rich in vitamins and minerals that promote brain health and enhance cognitive performance. To make this smoothie, blend 2 cups of fresh spinach, a handful of kale, 1 ripe avocado, a tablespoon of chia seeds, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a cup of coconut water. Prepare to become a green-fueled genius. The Green Genius Smoothie is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to brain nutrition. It's an excellent choice for those looking to improve memory, concentration, and overall mental clarity. Get your greens on, folks. Smoothie number 3, the Nutty Brain Booster. Now, let's introduce you to the Nutty Brain Booster. Packed with healthy fats and proteins, this smoothie is an absolute game changer for your cognitive function. Nuts like walnuts and almonds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which support brain health and improve memory. To create this delicious blend, combine a handful of walnuts, a tablespoon of almond butter, 1 ripe banana, a cup of almond milk, and a drizzle of honey. Prepare to give your brain a serious boost. The Nutty Brain Booster is perfect for those seeking a brain-enhancing snack. It's not only incredibly tasty, but also provides your brain with the essential nutrients it needs to perform at its best. Smoothie number 4, the Tropical Mind Refresher. As we move further down our list, we arrive at the Tropical Mind Refresher Smoothie. This one will transport your taste buds straight to a tropical paradise, while giving your brain a refreshing boost. Pineapple and mango, the stars of this smoothie, are not only delicious, but also rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote brain health. To make this tropical delight, blend 1 cup of frozen pineapple chunks, 1 ripe mango, half a cup of coconut milk, a tablespoon of flaxseed, and a handful of fresh mint leaves. Get ready to feel refreshed and rejuvenated. The Tropical Mind Refresher is like a mini vacation for your brain. The vibrant flavors and nutrient-rich ingredients will invigorate your mind, helping you stay sharp and focused throughout the day. Cheers to a tropical boost. Smoothie number 5, the Supercharged Berry Blast. Last but certainly not least, we have the Supercharged Berry Blast. This smoothie is a symphony of brain-boosting berries that will take your cognitive abilities to new heights. Berries like strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are packed with antioxidants and flavonoids that protect the brain from age-related decline. To create this berrylicious blend, combine 1 cup of mixed berries, a tablespoon of coconut oil, a scoop of protein powder, a cup of almond milk, and a handful of ice cubes. Prepare to supercharge your brain. The supercharged berry blast is the ultimate brain fuel. It will provide you with sustained energy, enhance your memory, and improve your overall cognitive performance. Get ready to unleash the full power of your brain with this delightful smoothie. And there you have it, folks. Our top 5 best brain-boosting smoothies to turbocharge your cognitive abilities. Whether you're looking to improve focus, memory, or overall brain health, these delicious blends are sure to do the trick. Remember, it's not just about nourishing your body. It's also about nourishing your mind. So, grab your favorite smoothie ingredients, blend them up, and embark on a journey to a sharper, more vibrant brain. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more brain-boosting tips and tricks, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Until next time, keep blending those brain-boosting smoothies and unlock the full potential of your amazing mind. Stay smart, stay curious, and keep rocking those cognitive abilities.